How to trade Forex pairs on Forex.com app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Forex.com app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to trade the Forex pairs, you can head over to this market section. From here, you can explore through popular markets, select the currency that you want to trade on. You can select your preferred foreign exchange pairs. For now, I'll select this one. After you choose your currency pair, you will see the charts like this. Now you can analyze the market trends. Before trading, you always need to analyze the pair. You can use this chart feature in order to analyze everything. Once you are done analyzing and monitoring everything, you can now place your trade. For that, you can tap on this buy or sell button in the top right. From here, you can place your foreign exchange trade. You can place the amount of trade size. If you want to configure this take profit or stop loss feature, you can do so. You always need to set up the stop loss feature in order to protect your capital. After you configure everything, you can tap on this place buy trade button in the bottom. You always need to focus on the risk management while placing your trade, so only risk 1 or 2% of your account per trading. Also, what you can do is, you can experiment with your demo account. You can practice with virtual funds in order to master the platform and test your strategies risk-free. So that's how you can easily trade Forex pairs on Forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.